Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to continue on last episode on the live stream I did. Got to this gas boss, so we're gonna beat this boss and then work on next boss. So if you like this video, like, share, comment, and turn on notification. Be a part of the squad. Jump back down. Try that. Oh crap. At least I'm back in the nether, that works. That was weird. Put back up there. Wasted it. Rocket. Climb up and get to him. You're here. I'm looking for... I don't need that. Keep that in my inventory. Would you stop it? Scrap these. Try that. What's this? Dude. Quiet. How do we fight this thing? Come here, dude. Come here. I will fight you. Get over here. Now get over there. Should have done that in the first place, but whatever. No, done. Oh, okay. Nothing. Yes, people, I did it the way I thought it would be easy to do. We got now Hydra next, I think. Alright. So what's the next one? Over here somewhere. Right here. 374. Alright. Let's see if we can get through here now. Nope. Alright, there should be another one, I guess. The heck? I thought that would be it. I did all of them. What do I need to do? Do I need to drink something? No. Alright. Put this in here. Get this stuff. Oh, keep the apple in there. Get rid of that. That. That's my, this one right here is my trophy stuff. Put this stuff in there. Get this stuff out of here. Take care of that. We got here. We got, okay. Ooh. Okay. What's that do? Right click on, so auto cures you from wither. Okay. This is what? Iron wall. Curse of possession. That's stupid. Okay, that's weird. So that means we gotta find the last one before the last one. What? Not even around that fire, stupid. Not even around it, so I don't understand why that's doing that. There's nothing down here. Okay. Good. There's one like just like this you can go into, and it gives you a another box. That's what I'm trying to figure that out. Hmm. There's gotta. Where is the last one? Mushroom biome. Yeah. If you didn't know, I got this from one of those loot things. So, in my house, I made off camera so I can get a place we can have our own place to live. I'm looking for a mushroom kingdom. That's what I'm looking for. Yeah, people. I know it's here. Why would it? I can't. I don't understand. I got the. What do we do with the? What are they called? Those. These where they go? The vials and stuff like that. I don't know. What do we do with these things? What's it called? Carmonite. Carm. What do we do with it? Make amulet, repels, projectiles. That's cool. So you can make block builder. Okay. Reactor. Okay. Okay, you can make something with that. What do you do with the fear tiers? The fury tier. Oh, you can just. Oh, okay. So you can make some fire protection armor. How many do we have? 7. So should make it. Should have enough, right? Laser gun. Ooh, that's pretty cool. You can make these to make a helmet. So yeah, we need to get more of those at some point. Do 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 do. Kill the zombie. Get his brain. It's not, oh, I mean, no. There. There. Sounds a little bit better than being quiet. There you go. Those are like little dragon. They look little what's that kind of like yeah, fireflies. I'm looking for where are you shrooms? Is it up here? I hope it's up here. Looks like it. Just don't understand. It's it's a giant hill. Come here, Come here. Come here, deer. Do this. Come on, deer. Come on. Like getting venison because it gives you a lot more hunger. I know there's one up here somewhere. Is there another place I think with spikes, I think? Is that another place we gotta go? Hmm. There we go. Up here. Do, 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 do. Oh. I want to see if there is a place that has spikes around it. Is that another place we gotta go to battle? Where are you, Spike? Hmm. Here? No, that's it's the one with the spikes in it. That's Alice's Palace. Right here. That place. Go there. And now we go that way. Or fall on the floor. That works. Yeah, I don't like in this thing crap pork, beef, pork, and stuff. It don't give you too much. Doesn't give you that much. Yeah, that right there. Up here. Really? Can't get off here? Why? I'm looking for Mushroom Kingdom. I think that's the one of those, I think the last ones. Yeah, I think, and hey doggies. Dear, right here, I want to get every single one of you. Well, that's rude. Come on. All right. What we got here? I don't care about no necromancer crap. All right, now we need wood. Now what we can do is get this going. One of these. Stick this in there. How much do we got for stick? Goodness, okay. There we go. Get the stuff cooked up. Do we have the button to do this? Nope, we don't. Hold on. There. Now we do this. Stuff we don't need, put it in here. I might keep this thing of wood. Scorch brick. Yep. I'm gonna just mark this place up. Okay, there we go. Let's go this way. I'm looking for any. I'm gonna put bleach somewhere. Mmm. Come on, I know there's one out here. What the heck? Where the heck are they? I know you can't go to the poison area right now. I thought you could. But that's the last thing to go to. Iron. Here's something. Right over here. What is it? I don't know. That's charged quartz stuff. I need those. I need these too. Get rid of that crap. I don't care about anything that I don't need. How do we get out of here now? I'm stuck in the pool. You, how about go back to this? There we go. Now let's get cooked up. Gold. I want to get these turned into. Maybe we can get. We can get maybe. How many do we have? We have 7. Enough to do 1. I might do the chest plate. I don't know. I might save it. Here now. We're away from that area. Nope. Holy. Alright guys, I'm going to end this episode here. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, turn on notification. Be a part of the sweat. Also, if you don't subscribe, I will tickle that bird over there. That one right there. I'm gonna get you. Bye. Oh.